Well, hello there. How are you? This is your favorite teacher. And today, what I would like to do is go over the starting of the building of the bridge. Let's look at our materials. One of the things that we want to do is get things ready. The first thing is going to be working with our straws. So that you can see them, I have stirrers here that can be used to solidify and strengthen joints, and I'll show you the use of those. I chose the black ones versus what I gave you, which was clear, so that you'll be able to see these better, okay? Doing that. Obviously, we need something called glue, right? All right. I didn't have time to go out and get a magic marker. I may grab one later, but this is don't tell my son I took this from his art collection, because I want to make black marks where I'm going to cut on the straw. I want to be sure to do that at the exact spot that I need it. What else do I need? Did I say the word cut? I better have some scissors, right? Now, some of yours, you might have a very large pair of scissors or a small pair. Size doesn't matter. What matters is, can it cut sharply, and so you can cut exactly where it is that you want to cut. Masking tape is normally brown. I have a ton of this tape at the school because of some painting job that we had done way back when. And so someone donated that, so I pulled that up rather than go pick up some masking tape, all right? And we all know what that is, a glue gun, and of course the glue gun is here. Mine is plugged up, and so it's warm, and we're ready to roll. Be sure that we don't do what most people do. I wonder if this is hot, and then they touch it and go, ouch, and it's hot. Don't do that, all right? Don't do that at all. Let's see, I think I left something out, and that's my plastic paper. Okay, wax paper. I said the word plastic. I should say wax paper. And I'm just going to tear a piece of that right now. I'm going to need that. And one of the other obvious things that I'm going to need is my drawing, right? Okay, so get my wax paper out of the way. And I'm going to line up my drawing. And I'm going to build first the two sides, and I'm going to try to make them as much as possible each look like the other one did, okay? And doing that. So I would like to get this tape down in place. I don't want this moving. Where's my tape? All right, here we go. I don't want this moving. And so I'll tape it down in 4 places. Some of my tape may be going out of your range, and though I don't need an extra piece here, I just want you to see it in what you can actually see. You see that I am taping that down. Okay, over here, all right, it is being taped down. The other 2 pieces you don't see, they're outside of your range, but trust me, on this side over here and up above, it is being taped down. Why? You don't want this moving while you are building, okay? Now, why the wax paper? Well, the wax paper is here for the simple reason that when we are gluing, we don't want glue to get onto the paper. It creates a mess. And sometimes you'll find out when you're trying to take off your first piece that you built, you're having an issue because you're tearing up your paper and you can't build a second one. Or you make a tear of an area that you haven't even started to build yet. And that's a problem. We don't want those problems. And again, it may be outside of your view, but I am taping this down. All right, that's as far as I can get in my first 5 minutes. And we will start up on our next video and take it from here.